Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, we're making cold soup on Ayran. This Eastern European cold soup is refreshing, tangy, and perfect for hot summer days. Ayran is a salty, yogurt-based drink popular in Turkey and the Middle East. These days, it's fairly easy to find in US supermarkets, but if not, you can make it yourself by mixing yogurt, milk, and water in a 2:1 to 1.5 ratio, along with a pinch of salt. You'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the video description below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. I'll start by boiling the potatoes and eggs together in the same pot. While they're cooking, I'll dice the cucumbers and radishes into small pieces. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the eggs will be ready. I'll remove them and let the potatoes cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. I'll place the cooked eggs in cold water for a few minutes, then set them on a kitchen towel to cool and dry. The potatoes should be tender enough to pierce easily with a knife, but not overcooked. Once ready, I'll also remove them and let them cool on a towel. While the eggs and potatoes are cooling, I'll chop some fresh dill. Then I'll peel the eggs and dice them into small pieces, saving half of one yolk for later. I'll dice the cooled potatoes the same way. Now it's time to put everything together. In a large bowl, I'll combine the diced eggs, cucumbers, radishes, dill, and potatoes. In a small bowl, I'll crush the saved yolk, add 1 teaspoon of spicy mustard, and mix it well. I'll stir in a little ayran to thin it out, then add this mustard mixture to the main bowl. Finally, I'll pour in the rest of the ayran and mix everything gently. Season with salt and crushed black pepper, taste and adjust if needed. If the ayran wasn't cold, chill the soup in the refrigerator before serving. Otherwise, it's ready to enjoy right away. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more cooking show at home recipes.